first things first, we're gonna preheat the convection oven to 425 for our vegetable entree tonight. So we start with selecting convection oven. It defaults to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. There are some different pre-selected temperatures. I'm going with 425, and I'm gonna press start. And now it's gonna start preheating the oven. When it's warm, these little lines here appear all the way across, and I get a signal that says it's ready, it's preheated, it's good to go. Got the Cascadia Farm, ready to roast, organic, sweet potatoes, cauliflower, broccoli florets, just add oil and seasoning. That's what we're gonna do. Got some olive oil, we need that. The protein is this product called corn. And then just have a piece of bread that I'm gonna toast. Wait till you see how that works. So I'm gonna start with a lot of garlic. Just load this guy up with lots of garlic. Let's do some black pepper. All right, pretty good. Let's do some salt. And of course, we need to do some cayenne. That's paprika, that's curry. Let's do the cayenne. There we go. It's been about maybe 8 to 10 minutes. And you can see this horizontal bar expand all the way until it's preheated. All right, that tells you it's ready. Let's pop this in. Let's do 22 minutes. Start. All right, so we've got our corn sauteing, starting to get brown, nice and delicious. This is kind of like chicken. Keep letting this saute. I'm gonna flip it a little. Starting to get golden brown. Really good on top of the vegetables. All right, I'm gonna pop this on top of this plate because I don't have the proper pads to put it on top of. Looking good. Stir them up a little. You can see the steam coming off of them. And the corn's done, so I'm just gonna drop that in there now. Next up, we're gonna toast some bread. There's a broil grill function, and I went with G1. Opened it up, and I put this little metal thing in there. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to use. And I just put some bread on top of it. Let's do 5 minutes. Start. All right, so in 5 minutes, we will have toast. The halfway point, so at 2 minutes and 30 seconds, it's going to give us an alert, and we flip the toast over. I just took the toast out. Can't really hear it, but it's crunchy. Let's put a little bit of this earth balance on top of it. Hear it? It's crunchy. It's like real toast. Nice. You know what? I'm gonna add some garlic salt, because I'm a little nutty. Some garlic salt. Yeah. And then we'll take this casserole dish. It's still super hot. Let's see if I can do this without burning myself. And put all those veggies and the corn in there. And it's not exactly pretty, but it's pretty decadent vegetarian entree. To give it a little something extra, I'm gonna add some Parmesan. And there you have it. Vegetarian dinner made with convection oven and the Airstream stovetop. Rock and roll.